And like you said, when people think, oh, I can start a shop. I can remember people told me, I'm going to start a tow shop, like tow trucks.
Yeah.
I'm like, I don't think you can do that. I did it. I mean, me and my brother worked probably a year straight with no days off. Hey, but when you were talking about losing money, like a shop having enough money, because you're going to have some losers, and you have to overcome them. You have to pay for them. Do you remember when the shop was off? I think it was Bryant Street.
Oh yeah.
And remember the guy across the
Grand
street?
Terrace?
No, not Grand Terrace. That was Pico.
Oh, okay.
When the shop.
Oh yeah.
Because we were only there for like 4 years. And the guy across the street was an electric contractor. He was an electrical contractor, and he had a tow truck.
Oh yeah.
Right?
No, I remember that. Yeah.
And so he came across the street.
That old beat up tow truck? That
Yeah.
was, oh my gosh.
So he came across the street,
Yeah.
and he asked us if we could put a motor in it. I said, sure. So he wanted to buy the motor.
Yeah.
I don't know if you remember this, because we had to move 3 acres of stuff
Yeah.
to here. Because we were getting out of there. That place for 4 years just didn't work out for us.
Yeah.
So we had to tow it over here and then finish it here. And so along the way, I don't know if you, I think maybe you did the engine. It was a big block. It was a gasoline engine. I think it was like a 460.
Yeah.
And we're looking at like, well, the injector's got to be bad, because it was just a Ford motor he bought, basically a long block.
No, yeah. It was all rusty and.
Right.
Yeah.
So we just related well, and I would tell you, no, got to replace that.
Yeah.
You got to replace that. Got to replace that.
Yeah.
So I'm not thinking, because the guy seemed cool. He was our neighbor for 4 years. He seemed totally cool.
Yeah.
And so when we got done, put all the parts in there. We didn't change the labor. The labor was the labor. He bought the engine.
Yeah.
I don't know what the bill was. $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, I don't remember. So he didn't want to pay it. So he called the Bureau of Automotive Repair. Joaquin, remember Joaquin owned the body shop?
Oh yeah.
Right next door to us? He goes, just so you know, this guy's asking about the Bureau of Automotive Repair.
Yeah.
Like, you don't want to mess around. I said, I don't think this is an issue for a bureau, because it's business to business transaction. It's not, he's not the public.
Yeah.
He owns a business, I own a business. He goes, yeah, still, you don't want to deal with it. So the bureau came over here, and they realized that they really didn't have any jurisdiction, but the guy still told me, he doesn't have to pay because you didn't get an approval.
Yeah.
And so we fixed his winch, we rebuilt the winch on the tow truck, we did a bunch of stuff. So at the end, it was not including towing it over here, because we had to move. So it was like, I think around $5,000. He didn't want to pay anything, and the bureau said the only thing he has to pay is the $800 for the winch repair, because he actually signed a document that said, because you know, like we get approvals from people like, I don't want to mention company names, but you know, you just call them and go, hey, we put an engine in it, but we see the radiator's bad. Put it in.
Yeah.
You know, what is it going to cost? I don't know. It's going to $1,000.
Yeah.
Okay, do it. So in the end, we probably had invested, we needed to get paid like, I think $5,000, somewhere around there, $4,500. He paid $800. That's all he had to pay.
Yeah.
And we never got paid for anything else.
Yeah, nothing else.
And like you said, when people think, oh, I can start a shop. I can remember people told me, I'm going to start a tow shop, like tow trucks.
Yeah.
I'm like, I don't think you can do that. I did it. I mean, me and my brother worked probably a year straight with no days off.
Yeah.
You know, and just the sheer hours that you have to put in.
Oh yeah.
To be able to make, you remember when you first started with me, get there at 4 o'clock in the morning, get all the trucks ready, and we never knew what time we'd get off.
Yeah.
Because if the trucks,
7 or 8.
right.
Yeah.
A short night would be 5. Right.
Yeah.
I don't think people could do that. They're like, oh, I'm not staying.
Yeah.
Well, then your customers probably won't stay either.
Yeah.
Right.